Hi, this is Dr. Abdul, Physiotherapist. Welcome to my channel. Human anatomy. Cartilage. What is cartilage? Let's talk about this in this video. Cartilage is an important structural component of the body and it is firm tissue but is softer and more flexible than bone. Cartilage is a strong, flexible connective tissue that protects your joints and bones, and it acts as a shock absorber throughout your body. Cartilage is also the main tissue in some parts of our body, including joints between bones, ends of the ribs, ear and nose, bronchial tubes or airways, between the vertebrae in the spine. Where is cartilage located? Almost any place where two bones meet in our body is cushioned by cartilage. And also at the ends of all your bones that form joints. Types of cartilage: hyaline cartilage, elastic cartilage, and fibrocartilage. Let's see one by one what are they. Hyaline cartilage. It is the most common type of cartilage in our body and it is very smooth, slippery, flexible and tough in nature. It found in all our joints and between our ribs. Elastic cartilage. It is the most flexible structure in our body which returns to its original shape no matter how strongly you twisted it, and that too without hurting you. Our ear is made up of elastic cartilage. Fibrocartilage. It is most toughest, strongest and least flexible cartilage in our body which supports the body parts in place and acts as a shock absorber. Our meniscus in knee joint is made up of this fibrocartilage. Functions of cartilage. Shock absorber. Cartilage cushions your bones and joints when you move and use them. It absorbs force and reduces how much stress and impact puts on your bones. Think about the difference between jumping up and down in bare feet and wearing running shoes. Cartilage acts like the cushion in your sneakers on the inside of your joints and around your bones. Reducing friction. Cartilage lubricates your joints. It helps your bones slide past each other without rubbing together. This lets your joints work as smoothly as they should and reduce wear and tear on them. Supporting structures in your body. Cartilage helps your joints keep their shape while moving. It also connects other tissue together and to your bones. Muscles, tendons and ligaments are connected to the cartilage throughout your body. Thanks for watching. Follow me at YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and for any business related inquiry, contact me at dr.abdul.pt@gmail.com.